government and non-government funding sources now. And so there's some that you probably are familiar with, like Shred, the digital tax media credits. But the government is trending towards direct funding. And these specific products have very defined eligibility criteria that my team can help you look into and then work through the process. So from identifying which incentives best suit your projects and your business goals, to helping you with the application, and then the compliance efforts at the end. So if anyone is interested in furthering the conversation on incentives, please see me at the end of the presentations.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, now before we kick things off, those of you that have been here before will know we do a community open mic. So if you have any updates you'd like to share with the community here, maybe you have an event you're a part of you want to make people aware of, maybe you're hiring for people, maybe there's some sort of updates you want to share, just put up your hand and we'll run to you quick to make that update. Okay, we got lots, so I'll run over here.
Hi, I actually have two hats that I'm wearing tonight, so I'm going to wear my first hat right now, and my name is BC Anzubi. I'm the Communitech Community Relations Manager. I'd like to let you know that on September 27th, we're having an event called Pitch In. It's a really great opportunity to find out about local volunteering opportunities. We have 7 tech leaders pitching you on different charities in town. We have the Humane Society, Women's Crisis Services, a really great broad variety of local charities in need of your help, like immediately. So that's at 6 p.m. at the Tannery Event Center on September 27th, and that's Pitch In. And then hat off, second hat. I'm also running for regional council. So I'm really excited to be the youngest person running in the riding, and I really think that there's a perspective that's been missing at regional council, especially with people, how we experience public services. So things like the LRT, making sure that once the trains arrive and that we have that service, that it's running for everybody and everybody's needs are being met. Things like snow clearing. Why aren't the sidewalks cleared of snow? It's an important accessibility issue. We sometimes forget that people don't have the same mobility access as we do, and it's important for us as a community to step up and take care of those people. So there's a lot of really important issues. Municipal politics might seem uninteresting, but it's actually the policies that affect you in your daily life the most. So you can find out more about me at beisan.ca, BEISAN.ca, and the election is October 22nd. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi. Hello? Okay, well, my name is Margaret. I'm with the Conrad School of Entrepreneurship and Business at the University of Waterloo. And for any startups in the audience, if you have a need, for instance, with market research, market validation, that sort of thing, then speak to me, because over the next 3 weeks, I'm organizing meetup events to introduce you to some graduate students that would be very eager to help you out. So if you would like to participate in one of these meetup events, yeah, this is one of our fabulous graduate students. We'd be happy to have you. So just speak to me and I'll give you the details. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Petrosevic. I do marketing for Artemis Canada, which I'm very proud of. In my other life, I also co-founded and run a lip sync battle fundraiser called Live Off KW, and that will be on November 15th, and I would encourage everyone to come and participate. We're raising money for the Sexual Assault and Domestic Violence Treatment Center that runs out of St. Mary's Hospital. This is our 3rd year, and tickets will be going on sale very, very soon, so check us out at liveoffkw.com or Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We're considering Snapchat, but don't hold me to that.
Thank you, Rebecca.
Hi, I'm Melissa. I'm with the agency Support Partners, and we are starting to look for our next marketing person who would ideally be intermediate to senior skill level, who can help us develop our brand strategy and overall marketing strategy, do some content creation, a little bit of graphic work, and some social work as well. Although we've also talked about the possibility of just bringing in added resources, because really one person can't do it all, although we are looking for a little bit of a unicorn. So if you think that might be you, please come find me tonight.
Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome to Shopify. As you can see, I work with Shopify Plus, and we're hiring all the time for a bunch of smart, talented people. In case you're looking for a job, find me or a bunch of my other colleagues around your desk. Can you raise your hands? Okay, there's one. We have Martin. And yeah. Okay, so find either of us around. We'll be hanging around here, and we can talk to you about the different kinds of roles we have. We have roles in sales, engineering, product, UX, a bunch of different stuff. Thanks.
I'm going to stand on the chair because I'm really short. My name's Nadia Novikova, and I'm really excited to be bringing to Waterloo Region a regional chapter of an organization called Data for Good. And it's kind of like Engineers Without Borders or Doctors Without Borders, except we can't use the Without Borders name. And it's meant for connecting data scientists who want to volunteer in the community using the skill sets they've spent their entire lives building, and local charities and nonprofits whose cause can be furthered by doing data science projects. So if you fall into any of those categories, or if you're a tech company who wants to host some events, thank you, please come and talk to me. We don't have a website, I don't have a business cards, we're still very, very early on, but we're hoping to have a couple of launch events of this fall. So look out for that on social media, wherever you get your information, but also come and talk to me. I'm really excited about this.
We'll do our last one in the back.
Thank you. Hi guys, my name is Neil Nag. I'm a physician that works with the Canadian African Community Health Alliance. We do once yearly, going to be switched over to twice yearly trips down to Tanzania. And we've just launched an EMR. What that usually requires though is tablets. And so if you guys know of anyone who's donating tablets, what we do is we take them and we give them to the people in Tanzania so that they can learn and build on their skills afterwards. And so it's not sustainable, but it helps build their community. And so if anyone knows anything or any leads, sources, let me know. I'll be right. Thank you.
Thank you, Neil.